Hey guys, thank you for tuning in to another one of my videos. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I installed the Flat Twist and Curl Crochet Braids by Rastafri. I'm using the 8-inch pack of Flat Twist and Curl, but there's also a 12-inch pack available as well. And I'll try to put a link in the description box to show you guys where you can order this hair online. This hair is super quick and easy to install. All you need is a crochet hook and do a few jumbo cornrows down the back. I did, I believe, 4 or 5 maybe. And you see I'm just crocheting the single loop twist into my hair. I like to do pretty big cornrows because these twists are very chunky and it's kind of hard to crochet them into smaller braids. It gets stuck and you can't really pull it through smoothly. So the bigger the braid, the better. So I'm just going to keep crocheting this hair onto my cornrows. It's nothing special. It's super easy to do. And like I said, this took me like 45 minutes to complete the entire style start to finish. I used about 8 packs to complete this entire look. And if you want it to be fuller, you can go ahead and add an extra pack, but I didn't need it. Because my braids were so large, I was crocheting quite a few twists onto one braid. As you can see, I added some to the flat part of my hair where it's not braided. I don't know how to describe that part, but you see a little space in between the braids. I was crocheting twists into there just to fill in some spaces. So the great thing about this style is that it can be worn in multiple ways. So here are the twists. I actually really like the twist in the 12-inch version. I think it looks really cute on its own. So if you don't want to unravel it for a couple days, you can go ahead and leave it twisted. But in this case, I am going to unravel them now. And you can also wear them unraveled in their natural state, which I'm going to show you. And then you can also cut it, shape it, and fluff it out. I absolutely love the texture of this hair. It's super soft. It has some texture to it, so it's not silky straight, but it's not too unruly and out of control. It looks just like a twist out on blown out hair, and I love it so much. And I absolutely love this color as well. I don't think I mentioned it, but this is 1B Fuschia. It's absolutely gorgeous. So this is what the hair looks like when you just unravel it and don't do anything to it. Now I'm going to go in and separate the curls and fluff it out and cut it. I think the frizzier the better, so I really went in and separated every single twist and fluffed it out, and I went in with a pick later on throughout the day and picked it out just so that it became really big and poofy. So now I'm going to cut it. Notice that I am cutting the hair at an angle. I just want to give it a little bit of shape. So it's important that you cut it at an angle instead of cutting it straight across. because if you cut it straight across like this, you're going to get blunt ends, and that's not really a good look for curly hair. So you want to cut at an angle so that the hair ends all blend together and you don't have a choppy cut. So after cutting the other side, this is the final look. I had a few extra twists left over that I should have put in the top, but hey, whatever. This is another way that you can style the hair. You don't have to wear it as bangs like I did. You can flip it to the side. You can leave some of your hair out and twist it up to blend it in. You can do whatever you want. This hair is super versatile, but I personally like it as a bang, big, poofy fro. And you guys know this is not the end of the video without an outro. Thank you so much for watching.